आज वहां पर 20 विंजर प्लेस प्रवेश वर्मा जी के घर के सामने कई टीवी चैनल्स ने, कई रिपोर्टर्स ने खुद अपने कैमरा पे कैप्चर किया कि उनके घर से 1100 रुपए कैश बांटे जा रहे थे। मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन को कहना चाहती हूं, अभी गिरफ्तार करिए प्रवेश वर्मा को।
मैं पिछले 11 दिन से जो देख रहा हूं यहाँ की महिलाओं का दुख, वो केजरीवाल जी पिछले 11 साल से नहीं देख पाए। जो हमारे वॉलेंटियर्स थे, उन्होंने जगह जगह पे कैंप लगाना शुरू किया। मेरी लाडली माताओं बहनें वहाँ पर आई और हमने उनके फॉर्म भरे और हमने उनको ये सहायता राशि देनी शुरू करी। एक बात से मुझे खुशी है कि कम से कम मैं यहाँ पे शराब नहीं बांट रहा हूँ।
Now, even this matter is likely to take a legal route, but this time it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is considering filing charges. The Aam Aadmi Party, which has filed a complaint against the BJP leader Parvesh Verma, they are also likely to approach the Election Commission of India to complain against him.
आज सुबह भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पोस्टर बॉय प्रवेश वर्मा अपनी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट की कोठी जो उन्होंने खाली नहीं की है, उसमें कैश बांटते हुए रंगे हाथों पकड़े गए हैं। गरीब गरीब झुग्गी झोंपड़ी की औरतों को प्रवेश वर्मा के घर पे बुलाया गया और वहां पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोट देने के नाम पे 1100 रुपए कैश के पैकेट बांटे गए।
Well, let's get on a word from Isha. Isha, good morning. Two of those allegations that have been leveled are one on part of the Aam Aadmi Party suggesting that soon a fake case could be lodged against Delhi Chief Minister and she could be arrested. However, when it comes to the cases of both cash for votes and fake announcements as far as certain schemes are also concerned, it seems that the Delhi battle is intensifying before the elections.
A very good morning to you, Amita. Definitely the Delhi battle is heating up as the polls approach, and we're just entering the new year. We're just about to enter the new year, and before that, politics is speaking. Delhi is brimming, and there are constant allegations that both parties are leveling at each other. We heard the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi stating that they believe that Parvesh Verma, the BJP leader, has been distributing 1,100 rupees to voters in the bid to collect votes, in the bid to garner votes, and she also urged the Election Commission to arrest him. While Parvesh Verma has also officially responded, but this is just one of the cases where the back and forth is going on. In fact, the major cases where the Aam Aadmi Party is also at the back foot is that there are two of their schemes are leveled as massive jumlas. BJP has been stating that the Sanjeevani scheme and the scheme for women both are absolute shams and will not lead to any practicality and are just mere promises. However, that said, the Aam Aadmi Party has maintained that they will make sure that every woman in the national capital, every non-tax paying woman in the national capital, which also they haven't clearly mentioned, every non-tax paying women will be granted 2,100 rupees. But again, the practicality of it is a huge question, because the own government department of the Delhi government has stated that that people in the national capital should not fall for this scheme because it may not be actually correct. In fact, the Congress has also now stepped in to attack the Aam Aadmi Party. Sandeep Dixit, who is the relative of Sheila Dixit, is fighting against Arvind Kejriwal, has slammed the entire party and said that they are a party of fake promises, and they've been doing that for a long time now.
All right.
But the face-off between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party is continuously increasing, and before the polls come, it is all set to even get worse.
All right. Thank you very much, Isha, for joining in at this point. As far as the Delhi battle that seems to be intensifying, remains to be seen what legal route that both the parties that we're looking at, or rather three parties, Aam Aadmi Party, BJP and the Congress Party, will be looking into as far as these latest events are concerned. Let's, in the meantime, shift focus